Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I haven't posted a video and I wanted to make a video on how I basically meal prep for work. I recently graduated school and I've just been working a lot. So majority of my time has gone into work, which is nice because it's nice to make money now and not having to study so much. But I just kind of wanted to make a quick video on how to meal prep on a budget, but still keep your protein intake high. So it's just basically kind of tuna, but as a meal, and I just wanted to show you how I prepare it. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, here I have all my ingredients ready. I first go ahead and cut my tomato. I usually just use one, and then I diced my onion. I already had some pre-made onion, so I put that in there, and then I combine it all together. I also had a small cucumber, which I just wanted to add for fiber, and you can see that I got it all nicely chopped up, and I also added into the mix. After that, I grabbed 2 cans of tuna, and I go ahead and open them. I strain them, the water. They're usually tuna with water, so I strain them, and I put it into the mixture. I try to grab every last bit because I don't want to miss anything of protein. So once that's in the jar, I go ahead and grab my weight. I add my mayo, and mayo is one of those things that if you're not careful and you go too much, it can add a lot of calories into your meal. So I do like to weigh this. I usually do 2 servings, so that's 32. And I'm a very big lime girl, so I like to add a lot of lime. I just keep on squeezing, but it's really good. It makes it nice and like tangy, and I really like it. So I just keep on adding lime since I really like it. And then I go ahead and I mix and I mix and I mix until I have a really nice consistency. I taste it, add salt and pepper, and I'm all done. I kind of wanted to go a little bit step forward and prep for my breakfast. So I like to always go ahead and eat a Greek yogurt. I like to weigh that as well. It's 1 serving. I like to add some blueberries, and here I had some extra grapes, so I just wanted to add some grapes for some sugar or flavor. And then I had 2 hard-boiled eggs that I had already had, so I joined it with my meal. And there you go. This equals to about 74 grams of protein, and it really makes for a really yummy meal.